how to change Epic Games region. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Epic Games account, and it will look like this. On the upper right side, you will see your profile icon there. Click on that and make sure to choose the account so that it will lead you here to your account settings. Now after arriving in or being directed to the account settings, all you have to do is to scroll down up until you see the country or region. And as you can see, I cannot do anything about it. It's currently registered to my country. And if you go here to the information, once you have completed any purchase or added a payment method to your account, you must contact your customer service to change your country. That means if you wish to change your country, you have to make a purchase. It's either you have to make a purchase or add a payment method to successfully change your region. Now, let's say you want to change your region, but you haven't done those two, either of those two. It's either add a payment method or make a purchase. So here on the right side, you'll see an edit option there or button. Click on that. Scroll down up until you see click here to start the country change process. Then tap on or click on here, and as you can see, it will say like this. It will pop out like this: country change is not possible. It looks like you're contacting us from your country, and your country is registered to your specific country, so they cannot help you update your country. So you really have to either make a purchase, or add a payment method to your account to be able to change your region. Now, if you have done if you have done either of those or both, the text here, you will have to do the same process. Tap on click here, and it will have different text here, and it will actually give you or redirect you to customer service so that they can help you change your country or your region. So all you have to do is to follow those instructions or step-by-step process, and you will now be able to change your region on Epic Games. And basically that is it, and that is how you change Epic Games region. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.